Wipe this guy off again. A little bit of water spots, stuff like that. Nice and wrapped up. Let's peel this off. We're gonna go ahead and line it up on here. Alright, so you want to check and make sure any circles that we hit with the Sharpie, just go ahead and cut them out. Pull these out, stick your tongue out. Go ahead and roll this out so it gets a nice adhesion here. And what we're going to do is basically look up the dress. So we got silver here, silver here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Kind of get a reference point. This one, got one here, got one here, and just go all the way down. Then we gotta make our cuts for the harness and the cable right here, so we're gonna come check it out. You just put a slice right here, put it back together. Another slice about here. Grab your harness. Tuck it up over the top, all your parts. I'm going to pull it nice and tight. Get all your holes right. Just gotta double check everything before we go. We know everything's gonna fit. We're gonna roll it out. And what this is doing, basically making this rubber asphalt kind of material stick to the metal that we cleaned, and then this will actually seal the holes, give you a nice baffle here, create an enclosure inside here, and a good home for these Rockford punch components that we're putting in here. Give you a nice okay, put it. Cool. So now we got this kind of rubbed on there, rolled on there. We're gonna take the handle, push it on there, all our cracks and nooks and all that stuff. Just push it on there pretty good. That'll ensure this is not going to lift, and it's making full contact on it, so the material performs a lot better. And stick it on. Now I have this section done here. We can go ahead and put our parts back on that we took out, our harnesses. That way if you ever need to service a wire or anything like that, it's right here. You don't have to worry about being underneath the cachet material, messing up your job. Easily serviceable for the guy down the line. And we're going to go ahead and continue that for this section here, block it off. Alright, so now we need to go ahead and cut this out. And we're going to cut out of here some, like I said, make sure that writing is straight up and down so it sounds better. So 6 inches, 6 inches. Got that there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. You want to go ahead and hold it up there. You got to trim this out. So we're going to put a nice little curve on it. Do the same thing on top here that we did up above here. Just kind of overlap it. By a 16th or something. Just going to tack it down. And then we'll go ahead and lift it up. Still trying to find my razor blade. I'm still trying to find my razor blade. Where's that thing at? Keep going. And I'm still trying to find my razor blade. Oh, there it is. You know what? I'm going to show you a trick on how not to use your razor blade around this silver stuff.
Hey Todd, where's that razor blade at?
I don't know. Tim still can't
All right,
find
that
it.
little trick right here, I'll show you right now. Just grab your tape. Just go like that. Now you can see that thing good. Cool, ready to roll. Go and cut these guys out here. Kind of exaggerate on the tape. You don't have to put that much, but just want to show you. Those cut out. Put all this out. Alright, so we ended up with a little bit of a gap, but I'll go ahead and show you how to fix that. Just going to take a piece of this. Slap this on there. There, how about that? Now it's going to sound even better.
And the
Cut this guy,
Look
get
out.
the steps, you know the routine. Now you're ready to do a whole vehicle.
Don't forget to stick your tongue out.
Oh yeah. I don't know. It's not really working. Look, my razor blade's right there. Cool. Got that all done. This piece goes. Any parts that you forgot or anything, just go and poke it with a pick. Screw it all back in.